An upper chamber lawmaker clarified his stand on the conduct of a lower house quad committee probe on various issues concerning the previous administration. For her part, Vice President accused those conducting the probe of political harassment. Melales Moras has the full details.
Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa clarified he has no problem with the lower house's quad committee hearing, which focuses on the issues regarding illegal pogos, illegal drugs, and alleged extrajudicial killings during the previous administration. Last Friday, the joint hearing of 4 House panels commenced, which is composed of Human Rights, Public Order and Safety, Dangerous Drugs, and Public Accounts committees. According to De La Rosa, he's not against it except for one.
Ang di ko lang gustuhan yung pag-imbestiga about the alleged AJK ng war on drugs. Pabalik-balik na lang yan eh. Yan yung committee na nag-imbestiga niyan, yung ang nakikita ko na parang pabalik-balik lang sirang plaka na investigasyon. Pero all others, yung ibang committee dyan na involved sa investigasyon, like Pogo, go ahead, imbestigahan natin yung Pogo. Wala tayong kuhan dyan. Yung kay Abante, Congressman Abante, the same issue, yung human rights, the same issue yan eh, pabalik-balik.
House Committee on Human Rights Chair Bienvenido Abante Jr. immediately responded to this. He emphasized they only want to bring out the truth, something that was allegedly denied in the past.
Kung meron siyang sabihin, wag niya lang sabihin sa media, sabihin niya sa Quadcom para talagang maging malinaw yung mga sagot niya. We are giving him the opportunity, due process for him to air his side and for us to be able to know his feelings about this. Actually, alam mo, unang-una nga sabihin ko rito, trabaho lang to, walang personalan, walang politika.
Vice President Sara Duterte earlier stated that what is happening to their family seems like political harassment. This as her brother, Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Duterte, and her husband, Attorney Man Scorpio, are also being implicated in illegal drugs, although they have previously denied these allegations. House Committee on Public Order and Safety Chair Dan Fernandez insists,
kasi yung investigation naman namin started last year pa eh. Kasi we have conducted a separate hearings sa Committee on Public Orders, sa Public Accounts, sa Human Rights. And basically, hindi pa naman sila naghihiwalay ni BBM during that time.
House Deputy Majority Leader Jude Asidre added, it would be better if those implicated in the issue attend the hearing so they could also respond to the accusations against them. Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.